how do you look at it from regarding the quality of AI systems? Do you also see that they can potentially play a leading role in that space?
Absolutely. I think if we look at the viewpoint and the importance of oil and gas to this region, that the countries here firmly of the opinion that they want this industry to be sustainable, they want it to be safe, and they want to be able to manage the consequences of their decision. And I was really blown away yesterday by the number of people who talked about how we can improve the financial position of the industry, the safety position, the operational performance, the output, and how AI will have an influence across all of these areas of the industry. And not just oil and gas, but across the whole upstream, downstream provision. Yesterday, we had the two lady presenters, one after the other. One started with talking about how AI is being employed in seismic exploration. And then the next thing was talking about field development. Now, these are two really early stages in the exploitation and extraction of oil and gas. And what I thought was particularly pertinent was when they turned around and said about how much quicker they can process into a higher level of quality, and therefore their situational awareness of what is actually underground or underwater was so much better. And therefore the efficiency and by definition the safety of the extraction process is that much more pronounced. So I was very heartened then. But as you say, if we go further downstream, the use of AI and how we can then use the byproducts of oil and gas to the betterment of our ever hungry society, I thought was really pertinent as well.